children, welcome to the video. Hope everyone are doing good. Let's have a small recap about the previous video. So, at the previous video we saw about a small boy called Hamid. Hamid is a 4 years old boy who lived with his poor grandma. His parents were dead. It was the morning of Eid. Amina did not have ever a handful of grains at home. Amit ran out with his friends and the stores were full of sweets. So this is a small recap about the previous video, and now today let us move on to the story briefly. Here in this picture you could see Hamid and his friends at the fair during the day of Eid. So let me explain the paragraph. Soon the roads began to get crowded. Some people were on tongas and ikas, some in motor cars, all wearing perfume, all bursting with excitement. The children were a calm and contented lot. For village children, everything in the town was wonderful. Whatever caught their eye, they stood and gaped at it with wonder. At last the Eidgah came into view. There were row upon row of worshippers as far as the eye could see. Newcomers lined themselves behind the ones already there. So, in this paragraph, we come to know that the road was very busy and crowded. Some people were on tongas and ikas, some in motor cars. So, what is tongas and ikas? So, it is a sort of vehicle which is being used those days. All wearing perfume, all bursting with excitement. The children were a calm and contented lot. What is contented? They were satisfied. They were happy with the content. They were happy with what they had. For village children, everything in the town was wonderful. So, all the thing was like a wonder for the children, especially the children, those who live in village. Whatever caught their eye, they stood and gaped it with wonder. So, what is the meaning of gapped? Something with eyes opened in wonder, the eye with widely opened. That is called gapped. At last the Eidgah came into view. So finally they came near Eidgah and had a view. There were row upon row of worshippers as far as the eye could see. So as far as the eye could see, the worshippers were row upon row, and the newcomers lined themselves behind the ones already there. So let us see the next paragraph. The prayer was over. Men embraced each other. So once after the prayer was over, each and every man embraced each other. They descended on the sweets and toy vendors' stores like an army moving to attack. There was the merry-go-round with wooden elephants, horses and camels. You paid 1 paisa and had 25 rounds of fun. Mahmud and Mohsin and Noori and other boys mounted the horse and camels. So, the prayer was over. Men embraced each other after the prayer. They descended on the sweet and toy vendors' stores like an army moving to attack. What is descended? Move or fall downwards. They moved swiftly, or they fall downwards on sweet shop or like toy vendors' stores. There was the merry-go-round. The merry-go-round, it's a sort of ride with wooden elephants, horses and camels. Muhammad, Mohsin and Noori paid 1 paise and they had 25 rounds. This made them more fun. Moving to next paragraph, Hamid watched them from a distance and all he had were 3 paisas. So Hamid had only 3 paisas with him. He couldn't part with a third of his treasure for a few miserable rounds. They were soon done with their rides. Then it was the time for the toys. There was a row of stalls on one side with all kinds of toys, soldiers and milkmaids, kings and ministers, water carriers and washerwomen and holy men. So this paragraph refers that Hamid watched his friends riding from a distance. He had only 3 paisas with him. He couldn't part with a third of his treasure for a miserable rounds and done. All his friends have been done after their rides, and then it was the time for purchasing toys. They had a row of stalls on one side. It has different kinds of toys such as soldiers and milkmaids, kings and ministers, water carriers and washerwomen and holy men. These are the kinds of toys that the stall contains. Next paragraph. Muhammad bought a policeman in khaki with a red turban on his head and a gun on his shoulder. So Muhammad bought a policeman in khaki with a red turban on his head and a gun on his shoulder. Mohsin bought a water carrier while Noori got a lawyer toy. So Mohsin got a water carrier toy and Noori got a lawyer toy. Those toys cost 2 paise each. So the toy which Muhammad bought, Mohsin bought and Noori bought was 2 paise each. Hamid had only 3 paisas. How could he buy such expensive toy? If they dropped out of his hand, they would be smashed to bits. So Muhammad, Mohsin and Noori, if they drop out of the hand, the toys will be smashed into bits. If a drop of water fell on them, the color would run. The toy's color would run if the drop of water fell on them. But he looked out at them hungrily and wished he could hold them in his hands for just a moment or two. Even though Hamid knows clearly that if he dropped them out of his hand, the toys would be smashed into bits, or if a drop of water fell on them, the color would run. He could also had idea to hold at least just for a moment. After the toys, it was sweets. Someone bought sesame seed candy, others gulab jamuns or halwa. They smacked their lips with relish. Only Hamid was left out. What is smacked? Open and close lips noisily to show their enjoyment. So what is relish? Enjoyed or took pleasure in the taste. So the children took pleasure while eating the candies and sweets as well. Hamid was the only person to be left. So this paragraph shows about the fair and the things happen during the fair. Thank you, children.